Public office is a public trust. A reminder the president stressed to thousands of his grassroots counterparts earlier today on how local governance is critical in making all of government's projects and programs work. This as he also emphasized the need for proper waste disposal in the communities, getting up to speed with digital technology and its application in the workplace, and dissemination of information for precautionary purposes and of the pursuit of dispatch and accuracy in the performance of work, as we hear more from our Kenneth Paciente.
In light of the increase in cases of leptospirosis and dengue, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. urged local governments to implement proper solid waste management. This was the directive of the President in his attendance at the Local Governance Summit 2024 in Pasay City. He stated that local governments focus on proper waste disposal in their communities, as this is the main cause of the spread of these diseases.
Our solid waste management problem is a major factor that caused flooding as well in the metro during the onslaught of Typhoon Karina and the southwest monsoon in the last month. Local chief executives must work harder to utilize environmentally sound methods and waste minimization measures to protect public health and, of course, our environment.
In addition, the President highlighted the importance of information dissemination.
So I urge you all to lead aggressive information dissemination campaign to promote a healthy lifestyle and prevent diseases, such as a campaign to remind our people, especially children, against swimming in flood waters and to practice personal hygiene to mitigate the spread of leptospirosis, mpox, and any other illnesses.
The President again rallied for local officials to intensify their efforts to strengthen digitalization to speed up services to the public. He also emphasized the importance of promoting smart solutions and utilizing modern technologies and strategies to maximize their benefits.
I think we are all familiar with the delays that sometimes people have to suffer for very simple documentation. Well, I think the digital world is going to provide us the solutions to those problems and to make us more efficient, and so that the process of interchange between our people and the government, both at the local and the national level, becomes better, becomes easier and more efficient.
The President then emphasized the importance for local officials to maintain responsibility, accountability, and reliability in their governance to repay the trust afforded them by the public. He also stated the national government will continue to support the LGUs to improve their conditions. In fact, an executive order is set to be signed by the President to provide clearer parameters on devolution or the transfer of power and responsibilities from the national government to local governments.
We have been working on this for a good long while, and I think we have found a formula wherein we divide the funding according to the way that we determine services belong to as a responsibility to the national government, other services belong to the local government. And in that way, we are able to satisfy the needs as best as we can for both the national government and, most importantly, for the local government, as the Mandanas ruling really directs itself towards the improvement in the local government situation.
The Local Governance Summit was attended by 3,000 local officials. It aims to strengthen the relationship and cooperation between local and national government officials. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.